Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I just got the back sheet out of this old Queenslander, you can see here, and I've got the hose up here and I'm ready to climb in and do cellulose fibre. But it's one of those roofs that even if it was quoted in batts, the guys would have to lift the whole roof to get batts into it, right? Because you can see how low it is in here. Not much room, but I'm actually going to climb in through over here, and you see how tight it is up through there, right? But I'm actually going to crawl through there and then pump down into the bay underneath that joist there, all the way to the end, and then crawl through the other way up into there, and then I'll be able to do the whole roof without lifting the roof. So that's the good thing about cellulose insulation. So I'll show you what it looks like when it's done.